A business meeting right now for a company, and I noticed a couple of things that I want to share with you guys. Let me just lower the volume here. I realized, one, there's nobody else talking from the group. It's only the owners or the leaders that are speaking the whole time. That could cause people to be distracted and not really focused because there's only one tone and one person speaking the whole time, and that's not their peers, that's their leader. So a lot of times it's smart to actually add people into the meeting to be speaking, call on people. They say a great meeting involves everybody, so how could you involve more people? Also, you guys already know it, there's no cameras on. How do I know what you're doing if your camera's not on, right? How do I know your focus if your camera's not on? The camera's got to be on for the meetings. I'm not doing this to waste your time. If the cameras are always off, maybe you're doing too many meetings, or maybe they think the meetings are not important. Maybe instead of doing 3 meetings a week, you do 1 meeting a week. Cameras on, everybody's engaged and focused. Number 3, there is no pictures, videos, sounds, icebreakers, pattern interrupts. It's all the same exact tone going through words on a Microsoft Word document. That could be boring. You got to animate it sometimes. Make it fun. Throw a video, throw a sound, have a contest, throw a game out there to get things started. Spice things up a little. Get people excited. Never be predictable and never let them know what's coming next. Just a couple observations I have from the Zoom meeting.